Out on the river today. I'm at a new spot I haven't been to. I'm looking to find some Civil War relics. Have some hopes out of this spot. There was a little encampment and a garden over a bridge, and I think they had a skirmish nearby, so I would check it out and give it a shot. So let's get digging. Thought I'd get you out, show you what we're hunting with. We're hunting with the Garrett AT Pro. I'm going to turn it on. We're hunting in Pro mode, 0 to scrim 0 mode. We're going to kick the iron disc up to about 10. Got a little bit of iron around here. Sensitivity's up. I think I had a target maybe right along in here. It's a little sketchy, but I thought we'd dig it. It's kind of jumpy. It's giving a squeak, so I thought we'd dig it real quick with you. Water's not super clear here, but we'll try. I'll put you under for a second before I fan anything so you can see it. Something light, it floated away. Probably a piece of aluminum. I'll get you out on the next one. Thought I'd get you out and dig this signal with you. Nice good strong one, holding about 50 or so. Mixed in with some iron and stuff. So let's fan it away, see what we got. Clean it out really good, fan it good, so we can get the junk out. Just kind of see if the signal's still there. So move. It's holding. Maybe we didn't move it. For some of this stuff to clear out. Be patient. Kind of an eddy right here. Let's see here. It's holding pretty clear. See what it's hitting. 85, 86. Alright. Let's see. Can you see it? It's right along in here. I'll fan it, but I can't see it yet. Still got a little more silk to work with. Hopefully then it can. Right along in there. See it yet? I'll see it yet. I'll put you under so you can see it. Oh, looky there. Oh, we are on the board. Oh, that thing is beautiful. A little bent up. Oh my, it's still got leather on it. Holy camole. How cool is this? We're on the board now. Look at that. I'm excited. First target. First good target I got. How awesome. I hope there's more. Awesome. Right there. It was still leather on it. Man, look at that. That's just so cool. Oh, we're doing awesome. I wonder if there's anything else. Thought I'd get you out for this one. Check this out. Look at that. How cool is that? That's a good look right there. Little horseshoe right there. That's just cute. How awesome is that? I love it. Little pony or something. I don't know if it's modern or what. Thought I'd dig this signal with you. Just a screamer right there. Woo-wee. Sounds beautiful. I don't know how much action we'll get with the water, but kind of low flow through here. See if we can fan it away some. A lot of silt here. It's kind of a low pressure area, so it can, but it's reading a little higher. There it is right there. See if we can get some of the silt to clear away. See if we can see it or not. Hope it's something good. I haven't found anything but that one buckle. Not even a bullet, a piece of modern lead, or anything. Let's try it again. I see something right here. It's green. I don't know. Put you under. You tell me. Oop. Okay, well, that's a piece of glass. That's the reason why we wear some cut-proof gloves. I do suggest it. So we're gonna let's put him over here out of the way. I don't see the signal yet. It's still there. Let's get the silt away. So let's stir this up real quick. Get it to clear out. I hope it ain't a can. Alright. Didn't clear it out so we can see it yet. Come on, something good. Waiting for the silt. Yeah, it just sounds good on the chain. I'd reach in there and grab it if I was hunting, but 84. Higher than the can. We're gonna buckle signal. Come on. Tell you what. I'm gonna put you away. I'm gonna bring you out when it clears up. Thought I'd get you out. It's kind of clearing up. I can't really see what it is yet, but I see something. I'm not sure what it is. I'll put you under so you can see it. I don't know if this is what we're hearing or not. Maybe a rock. Oh, shoot. Okay. That's what it is. That's just a huge piece of iron. Whew. Looks like this was maybe a railroad track or something. Well, definitely not what we're looking for. So, check the hole one more time. Nope. Ooh, that gave a big ringer on there. I was getting hopeful. Let's put you back here and leave you for the next diggers. How about that? Give them something to be excited about. Alright, I'll reach out if we get another one. Thought I'd do a quick wrap up on today's video. I didn't find a lot of stuff, but I did find one relic, so we're on the board here. So I thought I'd show you real quick what we found. Check it out. Got a nice US buckle right here. Still got the leather and everything. There's little puppy paws, I believe. How cool is that? That's just nice.